Research shows that ADHD and other neurological conditions like autism and dementia are linked to metabolism and diet. Our bodies are made of trillions of cells, and mitochondria, which reside within our cells, convert food into energy. But if we don't get the right nutrients, this process slows down, leading to brain dysfunction. A groundbreaking study followed children who experienced severe malnutrition in their first year of life. Even after physical recovery, they had smaller brain volumes, fewer neural connections, and lifelong ADHD-like symptoms. Malnutrition and nutrient deficiencies like low B12, folate, and omega-3 are now linked to ADHD symptoms, attention problems, anxiety, and even mood disorders later in life. Brain scan studies that measure the flow of blood in the brain show that people diagnosed with ADHD have dark patches around the prefrontal cortex here, which is the brain area associated with executive functioning such as making decisions, planning, and organisation, meaning they are getting little to no blood flow in critical areas of their brain. These dark patches indicate a lack of nutrients, thus energy, being transported to those areas. So why is this happening? The consensus is that these individuals are deprived of energy generated by mitochondria within brain cells, and this is due to the lack of critical nutrients being absorbed from their food. In addition, we are exposed to increasing amounts of chemicals in our food and our environment, and these substances disrupt our cellular health because our ancient bodies lack the mechanisms to effectively combat them. Is it a coincidence that a rise in processed foods and low nutrient diets over the past 70 years matches the surge in ADHD behaviour and mental health issues? Experts like leading psychiatrist Dr. Chris Palmer from Stanford University say these modern diets are playing a massive role. And when you begin to understand the mechanics of the metabolic system and its crucial role in cell health, thus brain health, for me at least, it's an undeniable fact. In addition, poor diet also harms your gut microbiota, I never know how to say that, which is important in the regulation of brain activity and cognitive functions. And if you're sitting there scratching your head thinking, well, I eat well and I exercise, these cell dysfunctions can also be hereditary, passed on by mothers with poor metabolic health or other medical conditions that cause cellular dysregulation. However, this is a bigger discussion and I need to do a bit more research around this, which I'll probably cover in another post. So how do we deal with this as individuals? I would start, and I have started, by finding out what nutrient deficiencies that you have via blood tests. Then, for the majority, a nutrient-rich diet full of B vitamins and omega-3s and antioxidants will support brain health, which you should see a reduction in ADHD symptoms and improve your overall mental well-being. And some of us have other conditions that cause deficiencies, so supplements may need to be taken. For instance, I found out that I have low folate because I have a nerve pain in my foot, and that's related to ADHD, that deficiency. So for many, ensuring your diet aligns with the nutrients that our cells need to keep bodies functioning is the first thing we can do to turn a lot of our cognitive challenges around, including mental well-being. So remember, your diet fuels your brain. So start small, add more whole foods to your diet and check what deficiencies and allergies that you have as well.